So as you can see, I 3D printed in a very tiny size this signal box. This is made out of resin, very tiny with highly detailed walls, roof shingles and everything, and the steps or staircase. It's looking good. Now this is obviously that, but I wanted to see how this shows in resin. Those are filament. Now I designed, or actually I made a file to a single print. The steps are separately. On this case, this is one single piece. So it took my printer, is it 9 hours? 7 or 9 hours. This is a separate piece. It's the only piece that it needs to be glued. I haven't glued it yet. The other one, it's glued already. In this case, we can paint the shade we wish, but that's a sample how it looks. I do have those 4, 6, 7. I do have 7. I have 7 of these. This is different in a way that I do not have multicolor printer. These are separate parts and glued and designed to fit on the edges of the window frames. Everything, it's right here. You can see that's a separate piece. So each color you can see here, it's a different piece. This is second floor, one single piece. This is white. First floor, a single piece. The roof, single piece. And as you can see, the windows are different pieces. One piece, one single piece. These two are one single piece. This one single piece. And the stairs or steps are glued also. But I wanted to see how this came out with the resin. I haven't sanded this part, but it looks okay. Obviously, I always leave the support marks right here. You can see, notice it, so we can see how it looks without sanding it. Right here, stairs or steps. This I have not removed the supports yet. I need a special tool which is coming in the mail from sponsor. So, but for now, I just wanted to share how detailed this tiny signal box looks. Really cool, right?